Today we will continue with the fifth lesson in chapter 5, factoring expressions. And what we are going to do today, by the end of this session, we have a live problem. And before we start, we need to check the homework. The page is this page. What's this page?
229.
Yes, thank you, Ahmed.
229.
And we will start with, you just give me a second. This one? Yes. This is the quiz that you solved yesterday. And of course, I didn't tell you the answers. So, because I need to check that you understand it. Today, we will start with this quiz. Abdurrahman?
Teacher.
Go ahead.
Okay, teacher. X4, 2x minus 8.
We need to factorize.
Wait, teacher. It will be 2x minus 4.
2 multiplied by the quantity x minus 4. This answer?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. And let me
Teacher,
explain to you. Of course, I will explain it. Because here we have 2x minus 8. The factors of 2x is 2 multiplied by x. And the prime factors for 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So we have a common factor. We call it GCF, the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor here is 2. So the first one is 2 multiplied by x, and the second term is 2 multiplied by, we said that it's 2 times 2 times 2. If we take out 2, so we have 2 times 2, which is 4. And now factor out the common factor, which is 2. So I factor out this 2. And in the parentheses, I have left x, this x, minus 4. Any problems?
No.
Okay, so that was the first question, and its answer is 2 times x minus 4. Fahad? Fahad? Fahad?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, Fahad.
9 multiply plus 9 multiply plus 12.
9x? Wait, just a second, Fahad. This is x, not multiply.
No, okay, 9x plus 12.
Okay, what is the GCF?
The GCF, I think 12.
What is the common factor?
Common factor.
What are the factors of 9x and what are the factors of 12?
9x.
What are the prime factors for 9x?
Yeah.
It's 3 times 3 times x.
3.
And the other one, 12? It's 3
12
times 2 times 2.
Times 2, yeah.
Okay. So what is the common factors? We have 3 repeated here. So the common factor of the numbers is 3, and we don't have letters repeated. So The first one is 3 times the 9x. Is 3 times.
Teacher, I know the answer. It's 3 multiplied plus 4.
No. I don't like this. I need you to answer me. 9x equals 3 times what?
4.
Why 4? We said it's 3 times x. We have here 3, so we have remaining 3 times x, which is 3x.
Okay.
And after that, the 12.
And we repeat
3
the
times.
2 4 times.
You mean 3 times 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Now factor out the 3, the GCF.
3. Then that, and 3x. And plus 4.
Excellent, my hero. Thank you, Fahad. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
Teacher, I have a problem understanding these kinds of questions.
You mean this question?
These kinds of questions like time x3 multiply 3x, like that. I have a problem understanding.
It will be better for you to try to solve. So let's try to solve, Abdullah. This is Abdullah Shaqaqiq. Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead, Abdullah Shaqaqiq.
5x minus 25.
I need the prime factorization of the two terms.
Okay.
So 5x.
5 times x equals
5 multiplied by x. That's it. And the 25?
25 equals 5 multiply 4. 5 multiply 5.
Okay, 5 multiplied by 5. And now, what is the common factors here? What is the common factor? It's this 5. And it's the only common factor, so it's the GCF. So the 5 here is the GCF, the greatest common factor. Okay, now let's use the greatest common factor and rewrite the expression. How to rewrite it? I will write 5x and I will write 25. Okay,
we will write
5x. So it's 5 times.
5.
If we take out this 5, so what do you have left?
I have x.
And the 25, if you take this 5 out, so what do you have left?
It will be 5.
So it's 5 times 5. Now, factor out the common factor, the 5. What do you have left in the parentheses?
X and 5.
Not and.
X minus.
Yes, exactly. So the answer is?
5 multiply x minus 5.
Yes, thank you, Abdullah. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems with this question?
Teacher. No.
Yes.
We say teacher, no.
Okay, in the next question, Faris Al-Afaliq.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, Faris.
Yes, teacher. So 10m minus 35ml.
Okay, so what is the prime factorization of 10m?
Is it 5 multiply 2 multiply m?
Yes, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by m. And the 35 mn?
5 multiply 7 multiply m multiply n.
Okay, now what is the common factors?
5 and m.
5 and m. So the greatest common factor
is 5.
No, multiply them. 5 multiplied by m.
5 multiply m equals 5m.
Okay, let's rewrite the expression using the GCF. So the first one, 5m, and this is the parentheses here. What do you have left? It's 10m. So take out the 5 and take out the m, so you have left
5.
If you take out the 5 and m, so what do you have left?
You take it from 10m?
Yes.
2.
2. And now the second term, 35mn. So you take out 5m. So this is the 5 and this is the m. What do you have left?
7 and n.
7n. Multiply them.
Yes. 7 multiply n equals 7n.
Okay, now factor out the greatest common factor, 5m.
So we take out 5m.
What do you have in the parentheses?
We have 2 minus 7n.
Exactly.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No problem. No. No, teacher, no, I understand.
Great. Okay, my heroes, the next question. Oh, this time we have exponent. Salim Laid. Rida Naim.
Yes, Mr. I am Rida Naim. Yes,
okay,
teacher, Rida.
Okay, Salim, the next question. Rida responded to me first.
Okay, Mr.
Okay, let's do it. We have 8x squared. What is the prime factorization here?
Is
2.
4
the 8 first. The 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. I need the prime factorization to be easy for us to get the greatest common factor. And we have x squared. X squared means x multiplied by x. And now the second term, 2x. It's clear, it's 2 multiplied by x. What are the repeated or the common factors?
2 and x.
2 and x. So multiply them to get the greatest common factor.
12p, the greatest common factor is 2x.
Okay, let's rewrite the expression using the greatest common factor. So the first one, the first one, 2x multiplied by, if you take out the 2 and the x, what do you have left? 2 times 2 times x. Use your mic, my hero. Rida, please use your mic. 2 times 2 is 4.
Mr. I am Rida.
Yes, Rida.
4x.
4x, exactly. And the second one, take the common factor or the greatest common factor, 2x. What do you have 2x. left?
I don't have, Mr.
Yes, if you don't have anything in multiplication, what does it mean?
Is 1.
Exactly. So let's take out the greatest common factor, factor it out. So 2x, and what do you have left?
4x.
Yes.
Plus 1.
Exactly, Rida. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No, teacher.
Okay, let's move to the next question. Salim.
Yes, teacher.
This time, Salim, we have variables. Okay, let's do the same. We have x squared y. The prime factorization. X squared means
x.
Yes. Multiplied by
And 2.
X. No, not 2. X squared means x multiplied by x. And multiplied by y. Okay, the second one, it's xy. What is the prime factorization here? X multiplied by
x.
Why x again? It's y. Okay, now what are the common factors? We have x. Anything else?
No.
Why?
Y with y.
Okay, so the greatest common factor, multiply them by each other, x and y. It is xy.
Y.
Okay, let's rewrite the expression using the greatest common factor. So I write xy, and this is for the first one, and xy again for the second one, and this is the parentheses. Okay, go ahead. In the first one, if you take out the x and y, yes, you have
xy.
You have this one only left.
One only.
No, not one. It's x. This x. Right?
This 3.
And here, if we take out the x and y, we don't have anything left, so it's 1 here.
Put 1.
Okay, now factor out the common factor, xy.
Xy and...
what do you have left in the parentheses?
X.
Minus
1.
Exactly. So the correct choice is this one. Thank you, Salim. Any problems, my heroes?
No, teacher. Can I go toilet? No.
If it's urgent, Salim, you can go. Okay, my heroes, now back to the book. Sorry, not this one. This one. Okay. And now, in page 230, we have this real life problem. And for this real life problem, I will use this page here. You receive a discount on each book you buy for your electronic reader. The original price of each book is X dollars. You buy 5 books for a total of 5x minus $15. Factor the expression. What can you conclude about the discount? We need to focus about factoring. Yes, Abdullah, what do you want?
Can I answer?
You answered before. I should check someone else.
Okay.
Thank you, my hero. Abdullah Dokhi. Abdullah Dokhi. Of course, my heroes, here we have the expression 5x minus 15. We need to factor it. So we need to find the greatest common factor of 5x and 15. Yes. Who's this, Abdullah Dokhi? Is this Abdullah Dokhi?
You hear me?
Yes, I hear you now. Do not turn off your mic when you answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, stop moving the mic. Okay, we need to... Okay. The prime factorization of 5x is 5 multiplied by x. And what is the prime factorization of 15?
3.
3 times 5. Okay, so what is the greatest common factor?
5.
5. So the GCF is 5. Now let's rewrite the expression 5x minus 15 using the GCF, which is 5. So the first one, 5x, will be 5 times x. And the second one, 15, will be 5 times?
15.
5 times what?
5 times x.
15, my hero, 15. It's written here, 15, it's written here. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so it's 5 times what? 3.
3.
Okay, now factor out the 5 using distributive property. So, this is the answer. If I factor out the 5, what do you have left in the parentheses?
3 multiplied 5.
What is this? Why are you saying this? My hero, take out this 5. What do you have left in the parentheses? X minus 3. So it's 5 multiplied by, in the parentheses here we have x minus 3. So this is how you factor an expression. Okay, Abdullah?
Okay.
Thank you, my hero. Okay, now my heroes, we need to understand what is the meaning of 5 times x minus 3. What can you conclude about the discount? The factor 5 represents the number of books purchased. The factor x minus 3 represents the discount price for each book. In the expression 5x minus 15, this is the 15 here is the total discount. Okay? So the original price is x, and the decrease is 3. The discount is 3. So the factored expression shows $3 discount for every book you buy, and the original expression shows a total saving of $15. If you want to check your answer, you can suppose that original price of each book is $6. So in this case, x equals 6. You should get the same result when you use the original expression and the factored expression. Using the original expression, 5 times x means 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 15 is 15. And the factored expression, this one, 5 multiplied by x minus 3. So it's 5 multiplied by 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So you get the same answer. So your answer is correct, because 5x minus 15 and 5 times x minus 3, if you use a value for x, you get the same answer. Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No.
Okay, now my heroes, it's the time for the practice. Okay, let's see the first question. 12x minus 20. So the greatest common factor here is 4. So the first one is 4 multiplied by 5x. Sorry. 4 multiplied by 3x. And the second one is 4 multiplied by 5. It's clear now that the correct answer should be 4 multiplied by 3x minus 5. If you have any problems, use your mic and tell me. In the second one...
Can you repeat it? Can you repeat the first question?
Okay, it's here. The first one, 12x, is 4 times 3x. And the second one, 20, is 4 times 5. Factor out the 4, you have left in the parentheses 3x minus 5. Okay, my hero?
Oh.
In the next question, we have the common factor this time. Oh, it's again 4. 12, 8, and 4, it's again 4. So the first one is 4 times 3x. The second one is, it's 8y, so 4 times 2y. And the third one is 4 times z. Now factor out the 4. You see that you have in the parentheses 3x plus 2y minus z. Any problems?
No.
In this question, 15x. Okay. The greatest common factor this time is 5. So the first one is 5 times 3x. Sorry, 5x, because we have x repeated also. So it's 5x. Let's fix it. So in the first one you have left 3. And in the second one, if you take out 5x, you have 10y left. So the answer should be, if you take 5x out, you have 3 plus 10y. Any problems?
No. Thank you, teacher.
In the next question here, it's 2 as greatest common factor. So if you take out, okay, let's write it first, 2 times y. Plus, if you have the 2, it's 2 times 1. And factor out the 2, you have left 2 times y plus 1. Any problems?
No.
Oh, sorry, we have one question left. This question we don't have GCF. If you don't have GCF, so you cannot factor it. This one cannot be factored. Okay, my heroes? Okay, thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow and goodbye.
Bye.